Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade the best performing cryptocurrency pairs on any cryptocurrency exchange. In fact, Bitcoin is currently trading at $16,892. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the current price of Bitcoin is actually trading at $16,922, which is pretty low compared to the all-time high of the price of Bitcoin. If we look at the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair using the 1 month time frame, you can see the all-time high price of Bitcoin was somewhere around, we're talking about Bitcoin actually trading under 341% below the all-time high price, which was somewhere around $68,800. So this is a massive dump in the Bitcoin price. As you can see on the candlestick price chart data, Bitcoin has already dumped by approximately 341% from the all-time high. When Bitcoin is dumping in price action, every cryptocurrency on earth will definitely dump in price action. When Bitcoin is pumping in price action or bouncing in price action, almost every cryptocurrency on any cryptocurrency platform will definitely bounce in price action. So Bitcoin is the master of all cryptocurrencies on earth. I do not guess when trading Bitcoin. I don't even trade Bitcoin because it's not so volatile. I like to trade volatile cryptocurrencies that can literally pay me 10%, 20% or more in price action. So I don't trade Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the master of all cryptocurrencies. That's why every time we look back to the Bitcoin chart in order to see how it's really affecting all the other cryptocurrency pairs on the platform. Why Bitcoin is still massively trading below the all-time high of $68,800. The best performing cryptocurrency pairs are leaving clues on the candlestick price chart data. So let's jump right into it right now. Keep watching. The best performing cryptocurrency pair on the Binance exchange, it's the HOOK USDT cryptocurrency pair. As you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the HOOK USDT cryptocurrency pair was a recent cryptocurrency that was launched on the Binance platform. And it was literally launched today. And you can see the massive move in price action. We're literally talking about over 4,000% bounce in price action. I mean, I love to trade volatile cryptocurrency pairs because they can literally increase your trading account. They can literally triple your trading account, which is an amazing way to actually grow your crypto trading account. As you can see on the candlestick price chart data, this particular cryptocurrency pair, HOOK USDT cryptocurrency pair, has already made over a 4,800% move in under a 4-hour candlestick time frame. This is an amazing way to make profits in the cryptocurrency markets. You want to find the best performing cryptocurrency pairs that will definitely make you a lot of money and then jump right into it and make a lot of money. I don't know why you're not making money as a cryptocurrency trader. There is so much opportunity in the cryptocurrency markets for you to make money. So if you're not making money, you are not trading well. And if you are the type of cryptocurrency trader that will hold on to a particular cryptocurrency for months and hoping it will massively rise in price action, you're missing out on the opportunity to make money in the markets. You don't have what it takes to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. And that's why you've got to go back to the drawing boards. You've got to go back to learn how to trade the markets. Take advantage of the opportunities the market is willing to offer right now. In this case, you can literally see 4,000% bounce in price action in only a 4-hour candlestick. This is an amazing way to grow your account. If you put $100 into this particular trade, you will be taking over $500 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade. I don't know what type of business would pay you this kind of profit. It's pretty hard to find a business that will pay you huge profit, 5 times your investment. If you put $100 into this particular trade, you will be taking home over $500 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade. which is an amazing way to grow your crypto trading account. I get so sick every time when I see cryptocurrency traders not making money. Why are you not making money? You don't have all it takes to make money in the market. You don't have the tricks. You don't have the techniques. You don't have the skills to make money in the cryptocurrency market. And I get sick every time when someone say, I'm holding onto one particular cryptocurrency pair for 6 months now. I'm holding onto one particular cryptocurrency pair. I believe it's going to 10x over the course of 10 days, over the course of 10 months. Hey, listen, you've got to change the way you trade the markets. There's so much opportunity in the cryptocurrency markets for you to hold onto any particular cryptocurrency and hoping that it will definitely 10x over time. This is not time for you to hold and hope in cryptocurrencies. This is the time to trade the cryptocurrency markets in reality. There are thousands of cryptocurrency pairs that are massively bouncing in price action, which would have turned your account into something more profitable, into something more lucrative, but you're waiting onto one particular cryptocurrency pair and hoping that it would definitely 10x over time. I want you to stop holding cryptocurrencies and hoping they will massively rise in price action. I want you to stop holding cryptocurrencies that are already dumping below your enterprise. I want you to stop hoping they will massively rise in price action. That's not the way to trade the market. If you literally want to make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency markets, you've got to change the way you trade the markets. That's a way to trade the cryptocurrency markets that would turn into profits. I mean, that's a way to trade the cryptocurrency markets that would definitely turn your account into a profit-making machine. You've got to look for the best performing cryptocurrency pairs and trade them. And then when you trade them, you take profits. You cannot hold onto that particular cryptocurrency pair for months. You've got to take profits. Take a 10% profit. Take a 20% profit. Be grateful for whatever profit the market is willing to offer unto you or unto anybody who's trading the market at any particular time. Be grateful. The market has a portion to offer you, and then take it. Be excited that you took a 10% profit. Be excited that you took a 20% profit. That's the way to trade the market. That's the way to grow your account. That's the way to increase your trading capital over time. As you can see on the candlestick price chart data, this particular cryptocurrency pair, HOOK USDT cryptocurrency pair, over the course of 4 hours, it bounced up by 4,840%. That means that's a lot of opportunity to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. I mean, a lot of opportunity to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. You are not making money because you don't know how to trade the markets. You don't have the skills to make money in the cryptocurrency markets. And that's why I'm making these videos. I want you to learn how to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. Take advantage of the wonderful opportunities in the cryptocurrency markets. I want you to make money so you can support your family. That's the major reason why we trade the markets. The major reason we trade the market is to make profits in the market. If you're trading on any particular cryptocurrency pair and all of a sudden it dips back down to your stop loss price, you gotta step out of that particular cryptocurrency trade. We don't hold cryptocurrencies. We trade them. We buy and sell. We've learned how to participate in the cryptocurrency markets in order to make profits. Why are you trading? Why are you buying that particular cryptocurrency pair? Is it to hold it and hope it will 10x over time? That's not the way to make money in the markets. You've got to buy and sell. You buy and sell. You are taking part in giving the market liquidity and then creating huge volumes that will help the cryptocurrency markets to literally bounce over 20%, 30%, and in this case, 4,840%, which is an amazing profit already. If you put $100 into this particular trade, you're sure to take $500 worth of absolute profit from this particular trade. So I want you to get your brains back up. This is the time to make money. This is not the time to guess. We don't guess trade the market. We know what we're doing. We understand our entry price. We understand our exit price. We take losses at some point. I am a good loser. I lose most of my trades. And I love to cut losses quickly. I don't hold onto any particular cryptocurrency pair. I don't care what that particular cryptocurrency pair is going to do over the course of 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. I'm interested in what it does right now. I'm interested in how it performs today. I mean, right now. If it cannot give me an opportunity to make money, I'm not interested in that particular cryptocurrency. And I am ready to trash that particular cryptocurrency because it's not doing what I want. I want every cryptocurrency to pay me money. I want every cryptocurrency pair that I trade, that I participate in, to pay me profit. And when it fails to pay me profit, I trash it. I don't care what that particular cryptocurrency pair is, whether it's one of the best blockchain platform on the internet, wherever it is. I don't care. I'm in the cryptocurrency markets to make money. And I know you are in the cryptocurrency markets to make money too. And not here to joke, and not here to hold cryptocurrencies and believe someday it will rise. Not here to hold cryptocurrencies and believe tomorrow it's going to 10x. That's not going to work. You will never get rich. You will never be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader by holding cryptocurrencies and hoping they will massively rise in price action. How can you make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency markets? How can you become a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader for the long term? I'm talking about 10 years time, 20 years time, 30 years time. If you choose to be part of the cryptocurrency trading platforms, you have to take losses. You have to cut losses quickly. You have to minimize losses. You have to maximize profits. That's what we've been doing in our crypto trading community. We've mastered the art of cutting losses quickly. We've mastered the art of minimizing our losses and then maximizing our profits. For example, in this particular trade, we saw over 4,000% bounce. Now you enter at the 15% of the bullish trend section. Our entry, it's constant on any particular bullish trend section. Remember, the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency pair, it's divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections. And that's all you need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. Leave a comment below right now. I want you to say bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections. That's all you need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. And if you don't believe me, you can do whatever you want with your money. We're talking about your trading capital. We're talking about how to grow your trading account and how to make more money to support your family. That's the major reason why we trade the cryptocurrency markets. It's to grow your crypto trading account. It's to increase your crypto trading capital so that you can take more trades and make more money in order to help your family, in order to support your financial needs all the rest of your days on earth. So I'm telling you that all you need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair or the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action.